True. And what role do you think exercise plays, in pregnancy and post it, in staying happy and staying fit?
No, I think being active in pregnancy is the most important thing, and that's what I did. I mean, just being out and about, going with your day-to-day normal chores as normal as it can be. I mean, but of course, the Indian mentality, I'm sure, is a little bit like, कि अरे घर पे बैठो, खाना ट्रे पे आ रहा है, घर पे all the women up with their feet up, their feet are swollen, they kind of have that thing that अरे I can't do this, I can't do that, but I think things are changing now. I mean, there's so many people who are 7-8 months pregnant, and you can see them, they're on the go, they're on the move, and they are inspirational. So I think that the idea was, even for me, I was like, I want to just be out, I want to just do everything that's normal, and just keep my positivity, keep my brain cool, keep calm. That's the most important.
Yeah. And what would you like to say about, going to bed on time and de-stressing? Because that's something that you've really started doing now.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I think that has also changed now because of Taimur, because I like sleeping early and I like waking up early because he sleeps early, and of course he's up at 7 a.m. So the idea is that I think that's helped me, get into this routine. That's helped me be fitter, is getting my 8-9 hours of sleep at the right time. Not sleeping at 2 in the morning and 3 in the morning. It's lights out at 10:30. Of course, on weekends it's exceptional. Today being a Saturday night.
Correct.